My name is Yuvraj Mathrani from Raffles World Academy, and I created a drone called the M drone, also known as the Netflix drone. Next slide, please. Here's the overview of the drone. The M drone projects movies at a place of your choice. Once bought or rented, it will provide for the perfect cinematic experience that I'm sure a few have been missing during lockdown. The drone is powered with 4 built-in Dolby surround sound speakers and a 4K projector. And it works seamlessly with your Netflix account on all devices. All it needs is either a voice command or a simple tap and you're good to go. The M drone is available on the Netflix app. Once ordered, it will arrive at your doorstep from a nearby service provider. Next slide, please. Here's the top view of the M drone. This drone is a quadcopter drone, which means it has 4 rotors. And it also has a pre-installed Netflix account. The battery life of this drone lasts for about 8 hours, which can be quickly recharged in 45 minutes. It also has a GPS tracker for location, because that's how it can reach your designated location. And the best part is that you have unlimited data, which means you can go almost everywhere around the country and still be able to watch Netflix. Next slide, please. Here's the front view of the drone. The drone projects movies on a 4K resolution projector and is specially designed in a way to avoid any light interruption, using a simple shade around the projector to give you high quality view. Next slide, please. Here's the side view of the drone. On both sides of the drone, there are Dolby surround sound speakers, which covers a wide area for quality audio. To make the drone more aerodynamic, it will be 1 gram less than the lightest drone already, which is 249 grams, which makes the drone reach faster to your destination. Now, having just a projector costs more than $300, with an additional $200 roughly for a Netflix account per year. If you buy the M drone, this all will be provided to you for a reasonable $400. This gives you the true opportunity to sit back, relax, and Netflix and chill. Thank you.